Excuse me, hi, how are you? My name's Welt, I'm a photographer, and you look nice. You want me to take some picture of you?
Yeah, sure.
I'm not gonna charge you nothing.
Okay.
After I show you the picture, let me know if you like.
Thanks. It's very pretty. Thank you. I like it.
I'm gonna send it now for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Where are you from? What's your name?
Jenny, I'm from Chicago. You actually
Chicago.
made my day. I'm having
Okay,
a really
we're
bad
from here.
week.